Hi guys, you're welcome back again. Today we'll be making a yummy bitter leaf soup. I got this cocoyam for 1,000 naira. Is it a good buy? Okay, so I just washed and I'm going to add water and let it cook until it gets softened. Next, I'll be washing my meat. This meat also I got for 4,500 naira. Is it good also? Because I do not understand anymore. I also got Titus fish. This goes for 2,500 naira. And I also got cow skin, generally known as bonnet. Okay, and these 4 pieces goes for 1,000 naira, and everything here is 8,000 naira well spent. So if it's a good buy, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'll be washing everything and going to cook them. Here our cocoyam is boiling, and next we've gone to wash our meat and all our proteins we'll be using for this yummy soup. So I'll be seasoning this with this pepper, the yellow and the red pepper. This yellow one is for spice, is for flavor, and the red one is for hotness. Okay, so I'll season with my seasoning cube, also go in with my salt, and here I just rinsed my mortar with little water and added to that. So here we have our stockfish, and I'll be putting that into my boiling meat, pot of boiling meat. This has been boiling for a while, so I just added my stockfish. Okay, so I added my red oil and give that a good stir and allow to boil for a minute. So I'll just pound some crayfish that I'll be using for this soup. And we have a lot of helping hands, so my baby is helping me do this. And our cocoyam was ready, so we've peeled and we've pounded it just like you saw that. Our soup has been boiling so well. This is what our cocoyam looks like after we have pounded it. Very smooth, no lumps at all. So we're going to be adding that to our boiling soup. Add it the way you see me do, bit by bit, and stir it very well. Cover it up and allow it to boil until everything dissolves. So here we have our local bean or Ogiri. We are going to be adding that to this soup, and we want to give that a good stir. Added grounded or pounded crayfish, and I added little water because the soup was a little bit thicker, and give that a good stir. Then I'm going to cover it up for a while until it comes to a boil. So this soup boiled for a very long time and everything was okay, so I just went in with my bitter leaf and give that a good stir. Added my Titus fish that I earlier removed so that it won't break. So here, this is a good time to add it, and ensure you taste for seasoning, for salt at this point, so you can adjust if there's need. But for me, everything is okay because I seasoned my meat so well. And voila, our soup is ready. See that yummy, delicious finger-licking soup. Do you care for? If you care for, please run with your swallow. Come and join us, okay? This soup tasted so amazing, like so delicious, no capping at all. So I want you guys to try this out and tell me how it went. Okay, try it out, you're gonna like it. Please follow, comment, like and share our videos. Bye.